Right, get the sausage.
No, he's not gonna do it, huh?
There you go.
Come on, do what you just did.
Here, on it. Try again. Oh, you missed it.
Missed. Don't help him, huh?
Okay, I'm sorry.
We just watched him do it. We know he can do it.
He doesn't have a good grip on the fork.
I know. You can move the fork down. There we go. He's gonna move it around.
Get that.
William, get the sausage.
No, not with your hands. Use the fork. That's how you do it.
I knew he wouldn't do it now.
No, see, now he's not going to do it because he already got it on there and then we took it off.
I think that's a little squiggly guy.
There you go. Well, he did it for real. He did it for real.
Before this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the first one. And he actually got it.
He got both of them, but we took the other one off and then he couldn't do it again.
Yeah, he got both. Yeah, he got one, and then he got the other one. We took it off, so I get the camera out, and then he was like, "Screw you guys, I ain't doing it again."